All right, I tried doing a ladder round for with 4227 for 6.8 SPC, and boy, that was a failure. Everything wouldn't work, even up to maximum pressures. It wouldn't work, so couldn't get the gun to cycle at all. So now what I had was 3031, so I got a mag loaded up here with 3031, starting on the bottom with 24.5 grains, going 2100 feet per second, basically all the way up to 26 grains, going 2270. And we're going to start with the 2270 and work our way down to the lowest round, and then see if they all cycle or if where it stops cycling. And when it stops cycling, I'm not building that into the ladder round. So we'll see how it works here shortly. All right, so I'm gonna be shooting more into my hill. I'm gonna be paying more attention with the gun cycling and staying in a safe direction than I'm going to be worried with actually hitting what I'm aiming at. I'll worry about checking the bore and everything later. This is 26 grains at 2270. That cycled fine. This is 25 3/4 at 2245. That worked fine too also. This one is 25.5 at 2221. That was perfect also. This is 25.25 at 2197. Wow, that one worked. 25.5 at 2173. That was good. 24.75 at 2149. Oh, okay, so we had a failure there. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Didn't. Oh shit, now. So let's try it again. 24 3/4 and see if it works or not. That ejected. We must just have had a jam somehow. All right, so 2450, 2126. That one worked. And 24 1/4 at 2102. And that ejected and locked back, they all worked. So, all right, so it's off to the ladder rounds. And okay, so here's what I just ran. Well, you can see it, I go through. I'm gonna load the ladder rounds all up. Maybe I'll superimpose the picture right here. And since they seem to work, the only thing we had was a jam for some reason. I'm not exactly sure why, but I can make up some ladder rounds, and they all cycled. So we'll take it out to the field and see how it works later on.